Welcome friends, this is our 8th video of the course Data Analysis with Python. In this video, we will learn about data type casting. What is data type casting? Data type casting, or you can simply say data type conversion, means converting one data type to other data type, like converting integer data type to float or float to integer, converting integer data type to string or float to string. This is called data type casting or data type conversion. Now if we see integer to float, means we will convert a integer data type to float data type. If I define an integer like a equal to 20, and if I see its type, then it is an integer. Now if I want to convert it into float data type, then I can simply write like float, and I can pass the integer data type which I have to convert. I will pass a here. Now you can see that the integer value 20 has been converted into float data type, means 20.0. We can save this value in a variable like this, and if I print a again, then you can see it is now a float data type. And if I see the type, then you can see that it is now showing the float, means the integer data type has been converted to float. Similarly, we can convert a integer data type to a string data type. To do this, if I again define an integer value like 30, it is an integer data type. Now to convert it into a string data type, I will simply write str means string and the integer value or the variable name a. Now as you can see that the 30 has been put in the quote marks, means it is a string now. If you want to make this change permanently, then you can save this converted data type into the original data type. Now if I print a, then you can see that this is a string data type now, which is put in the quotes. And again, if we see the type of a, then you can see that a is a string data type now. Earlier it was a integer data type, which was 30. Similarly, we can convert a float data type to integer. Suppose if we have a variable b equal to 100.12. Now if I want to, first if we see the type of b, then it is a float. Now if I want to convert it into the integer data type, then I can simply write int means integer and the our value, or we can say the variable name where the value is stored. Now you can see that the decimal and the digits after the decimal has been removed and only an integer value is returned. We can also store this in our original data type. You can see that earlier it was 100.12, but now after conversion it is only 100 now. If we see the type, then it is a string data type now. So this is how we can convert a float data type to an integer data type. Similarly, we can also convert a float data type to a string data type. If I define a float data type like c equal to 123.567, then this is a float data type. I have to convert it into a string data type. To do this, I will simply write str means string, and I can also write c here, or I can also write the value here, which is our float value that I want to convert. You can see that this float data type, which was 123.567 without quotes, now has been converted into a string data type, which is put into a quote marks. Quote mark means that this is a string. If I save this to C, and if I print C, then you can see that it is a string data type now. We can also check the type. This is a string. So this is how we can convert a float data type to a string data type. Next is string to integer. Now to convert a string to integer, we have to write only numbers. Means we can convert only numbers which are in the string form to integers only. Suppose I have x equal to suppose 1000. This x is a string data type because it is put in the quote marks. As you can see here, these are the two quote marks. Now if we have to convert this into integer, then we have to simply write the int and the value or the variable name where the value is stored, int x. Now as you can see, quote marks has been removed and it is returning only a integer value like this. We can save this converted data type to x, and if I see the data type of x now, it is a integer. You have to notice one thing here. If this is a string like y is a string like hi, then we can't convert this type of integer into this type of string data type to integer data type. If I try to convert this, then it will show a error like this. Means we can convert only those type of string values which contains numbers in it, like 1000 or 100 and anything else. The next is string to float, means converting a string data type to a float data type. If I have a string like 1 2 3, this is a string which is put in the quote marks. The type of s is a string. Now to convert it into a float data type, we have to simply write float, and we can pass the value here 1 2 3 like this, or we can pass the variable name where the value is stored. As you can see that the string 1 2 3 has been converted into a float data type. Float data type is shown with the help of a decimal and some digits after the decimal. To make this change permanent, we have to save it into the original variable. Now if I print the original variable s, then you can see it is a float. We can also check the type like this. Means this is how we can convert a string data type to a float data type. So this is very simple. To convert a data type into another data type, we have to simply write the data type name in which we have to convert and they pass the value which we have to convert. As you can see in every syntax, first we have written the data type name. Here we have to convert into a string, and in the bracket we have to pass the value. So this is the basic of data type casting, or you can say data type conversion, and more advanced features of data type casting will be covered in our another playlist of the course, which will be advanced data analysis with Python. Friends, if you like to learn more in this data analysis course, then subscribe to our channel and join the Facebook group, and also like the Facebook page. The link is given in the description box below.